Hello, class of 2021, parents and guardians. Today is Thursday, and we're almost at the home stretch here. And here are the things you need to know. Number 1, requirements to pick up cap and gown. Exit survey in the student portal. The directions are in Google Classrooms. Your Naviance task. I need you to turn in any uniforms that you have. I need you to turn in any AP books or other textbooks and turn in your laptop if you received one for the district. Just do it. So many years students are sent away, can't pick up their cap and gown until all of the requirements are met. Don't let this be you. Number 2, graduation practice again. June the 4th on Friday, June the 7th on Monday, June the 8th on Tuesday. Graduation practice is mandatory. Practice starts at 8:30. If you have things to drop off, you can come up a little bit before practice or after practice. But practice is going to be prompt at 8:30 a.m., so don't be late. Number 3, we are having an awards ceremony on Thursday, June the 3rd. It's via Zoom. Thursday, June the 3rd is going to be your last class meeting. It's again at 10:10. See who will win an award, club award, a department award, ESOL award, or the coveted G award. Come cheer on your classmates and see the big reveal. Number 4, not going to graduation? If you're not going to be attending graduation, please email Mr. Convey at nconvey@philasd.org or me, dmagasich@philasd.org. Diplomas are going to be available on Thursday, the 10th, or Friday the 11th for those who are not attending the ceremony. Number 5, graduation signs still are a big hit. It's still not too late to order. You can get into the next group of orderings. Send me an email, dmagasich@philasd.org. And let's end on a high note. Number 6, graduation is on June the 9th at 9:30 a.m. Graduation is going to be 9:30 a.m. sharp on the football field. Note, the ceremony will be recorded so that you can share your graduation memories with friends and family members not in attendance. Look your best. And again, let's finish the year strong. I hope you're well. Graduation is only 20 calendar days away. Remember to look up us on Insta at ALHSCO 2021. Be well. See you soon.